Muscular strength assessments. The only equipment required for the 1 rep max assessments for the back squat, bench press, or leg press machine are a standard barbell, a squat rack/stand, a bench rack, the leg press machine, weights, and a spotter. A 1 rep max can be performed with a bench press, back squat, or incline leg press machine. For this video, we will be going over the back squat. In order to perform a 1 rep max, begin with 5 to 10 minutes of low intensity aerobic exercise to warm up. You may then move on to complete several repetitions of the movement with an empty bar and light loads. Your initial moderate weight should be between 50 to 70% of your perceived 1 rep max. Add weight between 2.5 to 20 kilograms each lift. Be sure to attempt your 1 rep max with 3 to 5 minutes rest in between. Your 1 rep max should be obtained within 4 sets. For this assessment, a 1 repetition maximum is defined as the heaviest weight lifted successfully through full range of motion, unassisted, and with proper technique. When performing the back squat with any type of added resistance, your form is a high priority. Place your hands in a comfortable position just outside the shoulders. Rest the bar just below your neck and onto your trapezius muscles. Step back and place your feet shoulder width apart or slightly wider. Point your toes very slightly outward. Descend your glutes just between your feet until you reach enough flexion at the hip and knee joints. Using your legs, extend at the ankles, knees, and hips to ascend out of the hole and stand straight up. Your head should be facing forward while maintaining a neutral spine. Breathing should be controlled, inhaling before you descend and exhaling during the ascension phase of the lift. To prevent fatigue, remember to increase the weight by 2.5 to 20 kilograms each attempt, trying to reach your 1 rep max within 4 sets. In order to assess muscular endurance, we will be using the push-up and modified push-up assessments. The required equipment for this test is open space and a repetition counter, preferably a buddy. The standard assessment is appropriate for relatively healthy and active individuals. The goal is to perform as many push-ups as possible without rest. The only difference between this assessment and the modified push-up assessment is that the toes are used as the pivotal point in this test. Remember to exhale when pushing off the floor with your hands under your shoulder pointing forward. Maintain a straight and neutral back with your head facing upwards. The elbow should be fully extended in the up position. Make sure your chin touches the mat and your score is the total number of repetitions. Remember to stop the test when proper form is not maintained within 2 repetitions. The modified push-up protocol is an assessment to find muscular endurance for sedentary or deconditioned individuals. The goal of this protocol is to perform as many push-ups as possible without rest. The only difference between this protocol and the standard push-up protocol is that the knees are used as the pivotal point to make the movement easier. Due to the safety concerns that a 1 repetition max protocol may cause, the reps to fatigue protocol is appropriate for sedentary adolescents or older populations, and this will determine anaerobic endurance. Anaerobic endurance can be noted as muscular contraction capability in a short time interval with a heavy load. This protocol will consist of 2 to 10 repetitions of the desired movement at 75% of your perceived maximum, performed until fatigue. This maximum effort set will give us the correct data for predicting a true 1 repetition max.